Welcome back to my channel today. This is Eugene and I'm happy you're here today. And if this is your first time here, please do me a favor. Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel because you will have a lot to miss if you don't subscribe. And please do yourself and myself a favor to subscribe to that channel. Right here, I teach everything digital marketing and how you can sell digital products online, make passive income selling digital products. This is what I talk about on this channel, and I teach, I coach on this channel. So do subscribe if you're passionate about making passive income online and basically selling digital products. All right, so I want to talk about sales funnels today and also explain to you what sales funnels is and what you can be able to do with sales funnels and why sales funnels are very important. And I will start right there. Why sales funnels are very important. Think about it this way: when you run ads online, majority of the times people just kind of click on those ads. They may visit your website. Will they take the necessary action? Majority of times, no. All right, so at least 95 to 98% of people that may first of all see your ads may not take any necessary action. All right, and we just glance through and move on, or just kind of play on your website and move on. And also the ones that do come back also may not take the right action. Again, it takes some time for people to trust you. It takes some time for people to be able to make that buying decision, to be able to buy your products or buy your services, whatever you are offering online, because you need to build that trust. And how do you go about it is why you need a sales funnel. So think about it. A sales funnel is a platform that guides your customers from the first time they click on that ad or click on any link you share or the content you share, to visiting your website or visiting that landing page, going through that landing page and making sure you follow up with them. You follow up with them till the point they buy and become your paying customers. This is what a sales funnel do for you. They go after your customers. I am going to break down the process right here. You have a great landing page. On this landing page, you have CTR buttons where they can click and take an action. And on this page as well, you make it very attractive. You describe the products, everything you're offering, the benefits, the features, and your testimonials. What people are talking about these products. You have created great landing page, right? But when they look at this landing page, they just read, go through it and leave sometimes. Now your goal is to make sure they don't just leave, or even if they do, you go after them.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
You follow up with them. You make sure you consistently remind them to come back and take the necessary action. This is where sales funnels are very effective. So how do you go about it? Within that landing page, make sure you are offering something of value which is free.
What the?
All right, this is the first stage. This is the first stage, and this is how you get them to give you that email or that phone number.
Nice.
So you can follow up with them. Offer them something that is free but is very valuable. All right, so when they click on it and show interest, you ask them to drop an email so you can send it to them. So for example, you say, okay, grab this new ebook which is about so A and Z, a great ebook that teaches you how to make passive income selling digital products online for free. All right, they will be interested. They will click on that landing page, they will fill in the form, they will drop that email. Now you put that email into another platform that will automatically send them another email welcoming them to your world, right? Let's say your page, your business, whatever you have as your brand. Now you are basically introducing them gradually to what you have to offer. Okay, apart from that first free ebook, you walk them through the products you have on your store and tell them the value they can get if they become a member. That is, if you're selling a membership on that website, or you are selling those products individually. You have to describe that value. But first of all, that welcome email, welcome them, just tell them how happy you are for them to join or become part of your platform. And then after 1 or 2 days, you're sending them another email. Maybe it could be a content that you just created just to teach them again, basically making sure you are following up but not promoting your product at first. Okay, you have to warm them up, you get them to be comfortable with you.
Yeah, boy.
Now you have them to come back, on their own, sometimes just to take a look at what you are offering, and then you are explaining the value of what they're going to get along with the features they're going to get if they sign up or if they take an action and buy a particular product. So this is what you need to do, and this is how you set up your sales funnel. You set it in a way it's not just going to stop on that landing page or the first page of your website they land to, but how you can be able to go after them. So you warm them up with all these emails or all these DMs, you introduce them to your product, and then you start sending them offers. These offers could be discounts. These offers could be, a bundle that you believe is valuable to them, and they can be able to resell it and make money if they grab it today. Okay, you can set like a time limit. You can say, okay, if they grab it today, they will get it at this price. If they do tomorrow, this promotion is going to end. Whichever way, what you're doing here is to, one, welcome them, warm them up to become comfortable, and then you start sending them all these offers. And don't get me wrong, sometimes it takes weeks, sometimes it takes few days, sometimes it takes months for you to be able to get these people to take the right action. But the most important part is that first stage. Okay, that first stage where you get them to drop their contacts, either email or phone numbers, all right, or WhatsApp. It could be anything you want to use to market, and then you put that in a CRM or a third-party platform that can do the heavy lifting for you. So within that platform, if for example you're using Instagram and ManyChat or Mobile Monkey, stuff like that, you will set up all these emails that they can get it at what point when they visit or engage with your content. So this is what sales funnel basically do. They basically help you get your followers or potential customers to becoming your paid customers, and not just that, following up with them even after they buy. So when people buy from you, they are more prompt to buying again. They can buy again and again, and they are prompt to recommending your products or brands to other people. So you consistently have to have them in your pipeline and consistently remarket or market to them to make sure they are buying and recommending your product, your brand to others, and that's how you grow. And this is why sales funnels are very important, and all of us need sales funnels, right? And I am going to make another video and I will show you the process, what you need to do practically, how to create sales funnels, which is why you need to subscribe to this video so you will miss all of that and become successful selling digital products or basically selling online. All right, so again, I want to thank you, and if this is your first time, check Resale Rights Empire to be able to grab as much as you can digital products, or basically become a member and have access to everything we have on Resale Rights Empire, so you can be able to sell or brand these products and resell them and make passive income online. Plus, of course, once you become a member, we teach you everything practically. We walk you through and we help you set up everything you need to set up to become successful online. So don't miss the opportunity, take the action. Check ResaleRightsEmpire.com, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for being here today.